This kit is called home testing for corona. In USA, UK, Singapore, there are many countries where people can test their corona at home itself. They don't need to visit hospital to test the corona. This kit comes very cheaply and you can get this kit in 8 to $15 in any of the medical shop. By this kit, you can simply test your corona in just 10 to 15 minutes. So it is a very convenient and easy kit which you can use easily. Let's see how we have to use this. You have to just open this kit, and then there are three parts into the kit. One is nozzle cotton, which you have to insert into your nozzle so that you can get the liquid from the nozzle. Second part is the kit. You can see this. In this kit, you have to just put 3 to 5 drops of the nozzle liquid. This will detect your corona. So this kit will take around 10 to 15 minutes to detect whether you have corona or not. So it's very easy. Just open this nozzle cotton and you have to insert 2 to 3 centimeters in your nose. Let's see how we have to use this. So this cotton can be used inside, and this is one more box they are giving. In this box there is one small liquid is there. So after you take out your liquid from nozzle, you have to mix your cotton into this liquid. So now let's see how we have to use this. So we have to insert into the nose around 2 to 4 centimeter inside and just shake it 2 to 3 times so that your nozzle liquid comes easily inside this. Now you have to do on another nose also. Once you do this, you have to mix this with the box liquid. So once you mix this with the box liquid, just shake it for 3-4 times so that it is mixed up with the liquid easily. Once it is mixed up with the liquid easily, it will be more efficiently detect the coronavirus if anyone has any coronavirus. Now put 3 to 5 drops of liquid into the kit so that it will start detecting your corona. So just put 3 to 5 drops inside the small hole given into that kit. So 3 to 5 drops minimum should be there so that it will use efficiently and it will detect efficiently the coronavirus. Now after this, we have to leave this device at least 10 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, it will give you the result. So you have to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes. So there will be 2 portions into the kit, C or T. If your red comes on the C, it means you are corona negative. If your comes on the T, means your test is invalid. And if the red comes on both C or T, then it is you are corona positive. Here we can see red is on the C. It means it is corona negative.